Hi everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and in this video we're going to make these fun cream cheese danishes using a package of Hawaiian rolls and no-bake cheesecake filling. These danishes are perfect for breakfast, dessert, or an afternoon snack. Now take a minute to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any delicious recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 1 package of Hawaiian rolls, 1/2 cup of butter, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 tub of Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Brush about 2 tablespoons of melted butter over the bottom and sides of the baking dish. Add the Hawaiian rolls to the dish, then use a knife to cut out the center of each roll. In a small bowl, mix together the remaining melted butter, brown sugar, and cinnamon. Use a pastry brush to cover the rolls with the butter mixture. Bake them in the oven at 375 degrees for 10 minutes to allow the sugar to caramelize. Remove the rolls from the oven and allow them to cool. In the meantime, whisk together the powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract for the glaze. Set aside. When the rolls have cooled, scoop about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake filling to the center of each roll. Drizzle the glaze over the pastries with a spoon. I hope you love these Hawaiian roll cream cheese danishes as much as I do. The full recipe will be in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time!